smoky eye, like a light brown smoky eye that's pretty intense around the eyes, and then just a bold lip. Okay, so I'm starting with my Healthy Mix foundation, and of course just applying that on my face. Next I am priming the lids with Too Faced Shadow Insurance, and then just setting that with a powder. Next I'm going with my concealer, and I'm just going to apply that under my eyes. Definitely you want to conceal any freckles or veins above your eye, because that kind of stuff can make your eyeshadow appear muddy when you're blending a lot. And also applying that to my nose. Next I'm taking this concealer and just putting it in my inner corners, and then I'm blending all of that out. And now I'm just setting my face, just setting all of that, using a smaller brush for around my eyes, and then just using a bigger brush to just powder my whole face. And next is time for brows, and I literally just brush out my brows and then take this pencil and fill them in, just fill it in until I'm happy with it. And then I just brush them out once more and take a brow mascara. And this is the before and after brows. Next I'm just contouring my face. First I like to take something that's a little more gray toned to just contour. And then after that I like to take my Hoola bronzer and just apply that to, under my cheekbones, around my face, around my nose, and sometimes under my lip. I always do it in tutorials, but I generally never do that in person, but yeah. And just blending that contour out a bit with my powder brush. Next I am taking just a natural lip liner. I always do this, and just overlining my lips a little bit, mostly in the center, but I went a bit too high this time, but that's okay. I'm just going to fix that when I do my lipstick. But yeah, I basically just overline my lips to make them a bit fuller. Now I'm grabbing my Too Faced Chocolate Bonbons palette. With Almond Truffle I'm just applying that to the crease and blending that nicely over this area. From the chocolate palette, I'm taking Salted Caramel for a warmer brown, and just applying that to the crease as well, blending it out well so that it's just creating a nice transition shade for our smoky eye. Now with Mocha, I'm just going to apply that all over the top lid. And with a fluffy brush, I'm just going to blend that out. Took a little bit more of Almond Truffle and applied that to this area above the crease and stuff, because it looked like it was in need of that. And that's what it should look like, something like that. Next I'm taking Bordeaux and just applying that halfway across the lid, just halfway up the top lid. And then after that we're just going to blend it out. Now with any black eyeshadow, just roughly line the top lash line. And with a Q-tip, just blend it out until it is nicely blended out and you're happy with it. Next, just go back and make sure there is a very thin liner line of black, very close to the lash line. And I actually wanted a little bit of a deeper smokiness from this black, so I just took a Q-tip, put black eyeshadow on it, and then I blended it out with other Q-tips until I was happy with it and fixed any mistakes under the eye from all that blending. With Almond Truffle once more, I am just taking that under the lower lash line, or on the lower lash line, and then also just going with those same colors, just applying them to the lower lash line, building them up. I'm just applying the leftover black to the lower lash line about 3/4 way, and then I'm just blending it out. And since it looked a little too black than I wanted it, I went back in with Bordeaux and just applied that under the eye. and again, I wanted it to be a bit softer, so I wiped it a bit and then applied salted caramel for a lighter look. Next, with any waterproof black eyeliner, just go ahead and apply that to the waterline and tight line. With this Ofra blush palette, I'm just going to take the white color and apply it to the inner corners as the highlight. And now I'm just curling my eyelashes, and I did take an individual eyelash curler just to make sure the outer corners were curled, which are often missed with a normal eyelash curler, and then just applying some mascara to the upper and lower lashes. With this highlight color, I just applied that to the brow bone just for a little bit of a highlight. And now for the fun part, I'm taking some Ardell Demi Wispy eyelashes and just applying those, and just taking this beautiful deep red burgundy lip color and applying it, and that is the end of this tutorial. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a great day, and God bless.